The Parallax View, based on Lauren Singer's 1970 novel by the same name, was made in response to the tumultuous and tragic decade preceding the film. And it was released in a time of increasing political strife in the US. It is really a movie that not only reflected true-to-life events of recent history, but also resonated with current social trauma that always seems to find a voice in film noir. Let's talk about the music. In music, when tones create a clash of sorts, we call that dissonance. Given the subject matter of this film, perhaps Michael Small's transcendent score, however strange sounding, is quite appropriate. Let me try to reproduce the music here. The rhythmic movement of the lower tones sets up a creepy, metronomic sense of dread. And then we hear at the top very dissonant notes. It's almost like they're wrong notes. These pitches are heard over and over again throughout the film, as if to warn the viewer of something horrific that has yet to happen. The underscore continues on, playing something that sounds like patriotic news channel music. And then we hear more dissonant notes. This sort of dissonance is the perfect accompaniment to a movie of this magnitude. The events of the film are very big, yet the score is very minimal and strange. It creates a sense of dread with a simple, pulsating rhythm that drives tension with each progressive scene. Thanks for watching.